Buenos días a todos y a todas. Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. We're going to see los animales del zoológico. The animals from the zoo. Los animales del zoológico. Okay? So, animales, animals, animales. Zoo, zoológico, zoológico. Okay? So, the first animal we're going to see today will be the elephant. Elefante, elefante, elefante. Second animal, lion, león, león, león. Third animal, tiger, tigre, tigre, tigre. Fourth animal, the bear, oso, oso, oso. The fifth animal will be the monkey, mono, mono, mono. The sixth animal will be the eagle, águila, águila, águila. The seventh animal will be the zebra, 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 zebra. Giraffe, jirafa, jirafa, jirafa. And the 10th animal will be the cheetah. In Spanish es un cheetah. Okay? Cheetah. 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 It's very similar between English and Spanish. Okay, I'm so glad you're here and we have the chance to learn these animals. Repeat the video. Always remember to repeat it 1, 2, 3 times so then you can memorize the vocabulary, you can talk, you can improve your pronunciation. Okay, that's all for today. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.